Good morning to one and all present here. Today we are all see about the iron carbon equilibrium diagram. So this is about iron carbon equilibrium diagram, that is temperature is taking vertical axis, and percentage of composition, that is weight percentage with carbon content, that is take it as in horizontal axis. So in this temperature, that is varies from 400 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees Celsius. In that percentage of carbon, that is 0% carbon 2, that is weight percentage up to 6.7%. So in that up to 0.8% of carbon adding to steel is called hyporeductile steel, and up to 0.8 to 2% of steel adding to the carbon, that is called hyperreductile steel. So up to 2%, that is steel, and 2% to 6.7%, that is called as cast iron region. In these various temperature regions, we are having cementite and austenite. There are so many structures, and this is AEZ line is called above AEZ line, that is a liquidous state. So below this line, that is a solidus state. So the total representation of this diagram is called iron carbide equilibrium diagram. So there are peritectic point and peritectic reaction, that is liquid plus delta region, that is called gamma, that is peritectic reaction, and there are eudectic reaction and eudectoid reactions. There are so many possible reactions are taking place by iron carbide equilibrium diagram. This is a simple microstructure of photographs of ferrite and austenite structure, and based on these structures, the carbon percentiles is classified into low carbon steels, that is having up to 0.2 percentile of carbon, and medium carbon steels, that is 0.2 to 0.4% of carbon, and above 0.4% of carbon, that is called high carbon steel. These microstructural changes in different composition, we call it as microstructures for iron carbide, that is eudectoid composition, that is 0.76% of 8% of carbon added to the steel. So this is a schematic representation of microstructure for the iron carbon alloy hypoeudectoid composition. So this is done within the cooled from within austenite phase region. So this is happened below the eudectoid temperature. So this is this structure is perlite and pro-eudectoid photography, that is microstructure. So this is a schematic representation of hypoeudectoid steel. So this containing the carbon percentage between 0.76 and 2.14 weight percentage of carbon. So this is photomicrograph of micrograph structure of 1.4 weight percentage of steel. So consisting of cementite network surrounding with the perlitic structure.